Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see likes on the X app, formerly known as Twitter. If you've ever posted something and wondered who's interacted with it, this quick guide will walk you through the updated steps so you can check your likes in just a few taps. First, open the X app on your phone. Once it's open, head over to your profile page. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or your username, usually found in the navigation bar. This is the place where all your tweets, replies, and activity are stored, so everything you've shared lives here. Next, scroll through your tweets and tap on the post you want to check. Tapping it will open the tweet in full view, showing all the engagement it has received. This includes things like replies, reposts, and of course, likes. Now, look just beneath the tweet. Here, you'll see buttons and counters that display the interactions. To see exactly who liked the post, tap on the word likes. Once you tap it, you'll open a list of users who have engaged with your tweet by liking it. You'll be able to scroll through and view the profiles of everyone who hit that like button. That's all it takes. In just 3 simple steps, going to your profile, opening the tweet, and tapping likes, you can see the full list of people who enjoyed your content. It's a great way to keep track of engagement, connect with your audience, or even discover new profiles to follow if you're interested. Remember, likes can tell you a lot about how your posts resonate with others. Checking them regularly can help you understand what kind of content connects best, whether you're tweeting casually or building an audience on X. So, the next time you post and want to know who's giving your tweet some love, just follow these steps, and you'll have your answer in seconds. Thanks for watching.